Hi guys, so we're going to be reviewing the Love Story 7.5 foot umbrella, patio umbrella, and my husband will be helping me because I can't hold it by myself. But we got the blue version and it's really pretty. It's up really bright, not quite pastel, but it's a bright, what would you call that, like
Sky blue almost?
sky blue, yeah. And I was looking at it and it has really awesome directions. It's got a knob here that you can turn up and down, and it says up and down on it, so you can tell which way to twist it. And it came with a pole, and the umbrella's already assembled, so you just stick it on the pole. And it's got a little, what?
You go till it clicks.
Go till it clicks, yeah. And then you open it. Oh god. And then you have an umbrella. I think you're supposed to be able to tilt this too.
Yeah.
Oh. There you go. So it's got this metal part of it right here. And it's got a button. You just press the button and it's super easy. It swings forward.
Show it. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, right there.
Let you tilt.
And then you can tilt the other way. It's only those two angles though. You can't tilt it front and back. So it's just that way and that way. You just have to move the umbrella around if you want. We don't have a stand for it. It didn't come with a stand. It's supposed to sit either in a table or you can put it in an umbrella stand, which I think we're going to get a 5-gallon bucket and stick it in a thing of rocks.
See if that works.
Yeah. So, but other than that, I really like the color. I was a little afraid it was going to be a pastel blue, but I really like the sky blue better. Yeah.
All right.
Very happy with the product.